How to create glitch effect. To begin, I added a video to my timeline that I want to add a glitch effect. Start by going to Effects panel and search for Digital Glitch. Drag and drop VR Digital Glitch Effect into your video. With your video selected, go to Effect Controls and under VR Digital Glitch. Expand the distortion. Set color distortion to 100 and set distortion rate to 0. Now expand the noise and set noise strength to 50. Now move the playhead to where you want the distortion to start happening and set master amplitude to 0 and click on stopwatch next to it to create the first keyframe. Now press right arrow on your keyboard 3 times to go 3 frames forward. And set the amplitude to 100. Go forward 3 more times and set it back to 0. At the bottom, drag this handle to zoom in. Now set scale to 120 and place the playhead at the first keyframe. Click on stopwatch next to position to create a starting keyframe. Go 1 frame forward and increase position values a little bit to create a random position. Go 1 frame forward and click on this reset button to reset position values. Create 2 more keyframes with this method. Now you have this glitch effect that you can copy and paste keyframes at other times to create glitch there. You also can change position values to create a more random effect. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.